Hi everybody, welcome back to Wendy's Decorium. The project I'm going to be doing today, as you can see, is silicone rubber, and I've never ever tried silicone inlays, and I seem to be seeing them everywhere at the moment, so I thought I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to try, but I'm going to be using, I don't even know if this is going to work, I'm going to be using embossing folders. I do a lot of paper crafts, so I've got absolutely loads of these. And the project I want to be doing, I've got two cacti, if you will. I don't even know where they came from. I've got them on my kitchen windowsill, and they're doing well, but they've seriously outgrown the pots. So I'm going to make 2 pots for them. And I thought, if I try making an inlay, I can put these in the pots. It'd be quite nice. They're like flourishes on this one. I don't know if you can see it. And this one's a 3D embossing folder, which means it's a deeper emboss deeper. I've got this one as well, like tropical leaves. I did look for a cactus. I know I've got some stamps with cactus on, but I can't find them. Anyway, I'm going to mix up. I'm using Let's Resin silicone rubber, and let's mix it up, and I'll be right back with you. Right, I'm all mixed up now. I'm going to colour it. I'm hoping that that'll be enough. I'm just picking a colour. A pink will do. Just pop a bit of pink mica powder in. That should be enough. I hope this works. Not that I've used much silicone. They're a bit bent as well. I've tried straightening them out, so I'm going to tape them down to my desk. Hopefully that'll work. Oh, I'll take this time to tell you, there won't be a video on Friday as usual this week, because we're doing a collaboration with Mini Scenes GB and Crafty YouTubers United, an autumn collaboration. So that will be airing on Saturday this week. So Saturday, come and join us. There's absolutely loads of people, loads of different videos, different autumn themes, different mediums. Come and check it out. You can have hours of fun, crafting fun. There we go. Right, I'm just going to leave that to cure, and we'll see what the result is. Right, it's been a couple of hours. I've taken this side off, and it's very, very thin. I cut it up into a rectangle just to try it out. It's very, very thin. I think it's a bit too thin, but I'm just going to take this off and see what this is like. It was dripping, so I put dripping over the sides. I put a bit more tape on. Well, it's worked, but it is very, very thin. Yeah, it has worked. I think next time, if I do it again, oh, a bit of glitter. If I do it again, I'll put some hot glue or something around there so I can make it a bit thicker. I'm going to cut this up now. I'm going to cut it into strips. I'll show you why. About 2 inches wide, because I'm going to pop it in one of these molds. This is what I'm going to plant my cacti in. So I want it to go around the walls here, because I'm going to put some aqua cast in. So what I'll do is I will cut it up, and I'll come back to you when I'm about to put it in there. Okay. Right, I've cut them now. I've cut them to 2 1/4 inch. I measured the mold. I've turned this inside out, and I'm going to try now because they are really clingy. I'm going to try now and fit them on. I want them close to the top without stretching them. It's a bit difficult when it's a round mold. Try not to get any creases in them. There's a crease. Right, the next one. Can you see how cling it is? Now the fun bit is going to be trying to get these molds back the right way. This is very fiddly. You know when you get them days where you think, I just shouldn't have started. Today is that day. Right, make sure the back of the inlay is touching the silicone mold. Right, let's get some scissors. There we go. It's on. It's not perfect, and perhaps I should have just done a little patch, but hey ho, let's try and get this in now. Right, aquacast is mixed up. I've used Jesmonite pigments, and I've used a blue and a yellow to make a green, and then I've darkened it up with a bit of black, and I've made it semi-watery just so that it can flow. Right, let's give it a pour and hope for the best. Right, let's give it a tap. I'll just give it a squidge around the bottom. Get rid of them air bubbles. There we go. Top that up. And we'll leave it to set. Like I say, hope for the best. It looks like there's lots and lots of bubbles there. We'll wait and see. I'll be back with you in a couple of hours for demold. It's been a couple of hours and we're just going to demold. See how this has done. See if it's worked. Like, I hope so. Perhaps I'd made them too long. Perhaps I should have done them in little bits. We'll see. Looking promising. We're nearly off. There we go. Take that out. Well, it's done something. Bit of clean up, I think. Must have had a wrinkle there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a light sand around there and see if we can sort these bits out. Yeah, yeah, not overly impressed. A for effort, but I think that's a fail. That needs to come off, I think. Yeah, I'll sand this and I'll be back with the finished pot. Okay, I've sanded it down and it does look a bit better. There's a few places that it hasn't taken very well. And can I see that the leaves? A little bit there, especially. They are for me. you know, it's not as if I'm going to mass produce them or anything. It is for me, and it's quite rustic. There we go. It's a rustic pot, and it'll fit me cacti in very, very nicely. It's not that bad, really. I've waxed it a bit. It needs a second coat. I made one with it, just a plain one, and you can see the difference after waxing, just one coat of waxing. It was the same batch of aqua cast. Yeah. Was it a fail? Was it a pass? I don't think it was a pass, and yeah. I don't know what to say about it. Anyway, I'll take some photos once they've all had their second coat of wax and they've got the planting. I'll take some photos for you, and I hope you've enjoyed it, even if it was a fail. And I just want to remind you, I don't know if anybody, we've put a poll up on our community tab, what to do for our video for our 100 subscriber special. Thank you everyone, by the way, that is wonderful. Yeah, there's a poll. If you just go onto the community tab, you'll see it, it's there. If you could just vote, that would be absolutely wonderful. And of course, if you've liked this disaster of a video, a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you want, but you know, anything. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you on Saturday. Bye for now.